Lady. Put it back on my leg.
She's obsessed with the candies, but she's obsessed with
What's that?
Citrus acid in it.
Lady. What's that?
She wants it. She wants it. Wait a second. Everybody.
Sour Patch Kids.
Pure sourness.
Oh, God, you're giving her the sugary sour off the bottom. Okay. All right, let her lick it.
She's sniffing it. Look it up.
Her tongue's... Her tongue. Oh, my God. Her tongue never stopped moving.
Dang it, that's good.
Ladybug. Hey, baby. Oh, she says, I want some of that sour stuff. God, your head looks huge when you're up here in my lap. That's because it is huge.
Nice.
Okay.
Nice.
Well, she's going for it.
She didn't even lick all of it. She's just tapping it, but
and the tongue, it just keeps out going.
You haven't finished it. Oh, you got some more over here?
Her tongue, it just keeps...
No, get that junk out of my face. Get that junk out of my face.
Just another Sunday at the Ray House.
Get that junk out of my face.
We don't torture Ladybug daily.
Get this out of my face. Next we should
Lady, no, you're not getting up here. Oh, God, here she comes.
Next we should give her a lemon juice.
She's going to get her big ass up here somehow.
Put those little cups in your cabinet. Pour some lemon juice in it and let her drink it out of it. See how she reacts.
We don't have any lemon juice.
We need some lemon juice.
Lay down, lady. Look at this.
I won't. Wait a second, I'm gonna give her the rest of the pack.
She's about as broad as a barn door. Come on.
What do you think that she's gonna do?
Lady, lay down.
When she gets the full force of it.
Lay down.
Oh, God. I feel bad. I feel bad for her.
Please, look at her. She's begging.
Okay. Here we go. And that nice little array of sour.
Oh, my God. Okay, hold on.
Okay, ready. She just wants it all.
God, she loves it. And looking for more. And just like every other day at the Ray House, there's Jason, sound asleep.
You want some more?
I don't understand anybody can sleep 30 hours a day.
I want some more of it. Oh, hey, Mama.
Even though there's 24, he seems to sleep 30.
Hey, Mama.
What? Oh, get that off me. That's got dog slobber on it. Okay. That's enough of that.